in the receiving bed, the team then will be unloading all the material from the truck, right? So what they will do in this step is they will print out the barcode and label it to all the individual box. It can be either a linear barcode or QR code are printed at this stage, right? A notification is created and assigned to the receiving team. Then the receiving team will get the notifications at the handheld device, right? So they will know about this new task that assigned to them, right? Then they will proceed to their receiving the item by using this handheld device, right? So in the receiving process, it can be classified into 5 modes, right? The first one, it can be received as it is in the loose item. It can receive as it is in the pallet item, or it can receive as a loose or put away as loose, or it can receive as loose and put away as pallet, with or without additional BS activities like screen wrapping, right? So it can also receive as pallet and put away as loose. So it depends on your receiving mode. Then after that, this receiving process is considered completed, right? So once this receiving process is considered completed, so the next one will be the put away task. All right. So again, in here, another notifications will be generated automatically to inform the put away team to actually put away all this item into their bin location.